How to turn on Android phone without power button. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If your Android phone's power button is not working, you can still turn it on using these alternative methods. First, use a charger. Plug your phone into a charger. Many devices automatically power on when connected to power. Second is you can use a USB connection. Connect your phone to a computer or laptop using a USB cable. This may trigger the phone to turn on. If this step didn't work for you, you can use the volume and home buttons. Hold the volume down and home if available buttons simultaneously. While holding them, connect your phone to a charger or USB cable. This can often boot the phone into a recovery mode or turn it on. If the phone enters recovery mode, select Reboot System now, using the volume buttons and confirm with a tap or press of the home button. Also, you can use double tap or gesture wake. If you have previously enabled double tap to wake or other gestures, you can wake your screen with those gestures. Also, if none of this work, you can repair or replace the power button. Visit the local repair shop or your device service center. Let me know if you need further details on any of these methods. So by following this way, you can turn on Android phone without power button. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.